Adding Printful products to WooCommerce is simple with the built-in integration between the two platforms. Follow these steps to get started. Install the Printful plugin on WooCommerce. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. Search for Printful integration for WooCommerce and click Install Now. After installation, click Activate. Connect Printful to WooCommerce. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Printful Connect. Log into your Printful account and authorize the connection between Printful and your WooCommerce store. Create products on Printful. In the Printful dashboard, go to Stores and select your WooCommerce store. Browse the product catalog and design your items, such as t-shirts, hoodies, or accessories, using Printful's design tools. Publish products to WooCommerce. Once your designs are ready, click Add to Store. Set product descriptions, pricing, and variants. Printful will sync the product to your WooCommerce store automatically. Manage orders and inventory. When a customer places an order on your WooCommerce site, Printful will receive the order details, fulfill the product, and ship it directly to the customer.